Hey everyone! If you found an IPA file for a custom app or an older version of a game and want it on your iPhone, Sideloadly is the most reliable tool to get it done. Today I'm walking you through the setup from start to finish. Let's get into it. Step 1. Download and prepare. First, head over to the official Sideloadly website on your PC or Mac. Download and install the version for your OS. You will also need to make sure you have iTunes and iCloud installed on Windows for drivers to work properly. Once that's set, open Sideloadly. Step 2. Connect and log in. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone screen if prompted. In Sideloadly, you should see your device appear at the top. Enter your Apple ID email in the Apple account box. Don't worry, this is just to sign the app so it can run on your device. Step 3. Drag and drop the IPA. Time to load the app. Find your IPA file on your computer and simply drag and drop it into the large IPA icon on the left side of Sideloadly. Everything should autofill. Then click the Start button. If it's your first time, it will ask for your Apple ID password, and if you have two-factor authentication on, you will need to enter the code sent to your phone. Step 4. Trust the developer. Once the status bar says Done, the app icon will appear on your iPhone, but it won't open yet. Now, go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then, tap on your Apple ID under Developer App. Tap Trust and Confirm. Now your app is ready to launch. Just remember, these apps expire every 7 days unless you have a paid developer account. So you'll just need to plug in and hit start again to refresh them. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.